Namaste. I am Mrs. Latika Venugopalan. In the series of life skill videos that I am doing, today's topic is how to handle bullies. Now, in our daily interaction with people, we interact with lots of people. Out of so many people whom we interact with, there are some kind of negative people also who are called bullies, who will bully us. This can be in any kind of situation. It can be in a school, it can be in a college, it can be in your work environment, it can be in your neighborhood. Sometimes it can be in a family setup also. Basically, bullying can be divided into 4 categories, and they are physical kind of bullying, verbal bullying, social bullying, and nowadays cyber bullying also. Out of these 4 categories, today I am going to speak about verbal bullying. Now, what exactly is verbal bullying? When we interact with people, some people bully us with insult. Sometimes it can be in the form of a taunt. It can be name calling also. They will not assault us physically, but their words will be so toxic that it will decrease our self-confidence and add to our feeling of helplessness. Most of us would have experienced this in some point in our life. Sometimes they hurt us with their words, and sometimes it is to such a bad extent, and they do it in front of our friends, in front of other people, and we start losing our self-esteem, and our self-respect is affected. Under such a situation, what are the things that we can do? There is something called interpersonal relationship, and we feel that we should maintain good relation with everyone. But sometimes a situation so happens that even if you want to maintain good relation with the other person, sometimes it becomes difficult, and if we also react in the same manner, there is a possibility of a conflict happening. It is always better to avoid a conflict, direct conflict. So I will give you 3 to 4 you can call it tips to deal with people who bully you verbally. The first and foremost thing that we have to understand in a situation where there is a bullying happening is that the problem is not with us. We should understand that the problem is with the person who is trying to bully us. It may be the situation in which he was brought up, or he may be experiencing a difficult situation in his life. He may be wanting to hide something, or he want to have cheap publicity. He wants to shine, he or she wants to shine in front of friends. And some of them, they derive some kind of, happiness by putting others into trouble. Basically, we should understand that these people are having an issue and they are not talented, and sometimes they may be even jealous of you. Now, how do we deal with them? First reaction when somebody tries to bully us is that we want to react. And we want to react in the same manner in which that person has bullied us. If it is an insult or a taunt or name calling, do you think it is a good thing to react in the same manner? In that case, what is the difference between you and that person? So think before reacting, and do not react in the same manner. That is first thing. But definitely you have to deal with the issue. The next thing that you can do is be calm and cool. Don't give an impression that you are affected by what the other person says. See, the other person, the bully, is definitely trying to make you feel uncomfortable by doing certain things. So if you remain calm, cool and collected, then his very purpose is defeated. So whatever is the situation, just remain calm, cool and calm. Next thing you can do is handle it with a smile. Just smile at him and show that you are not at all affected by what is going on. Other thing you can do is to ignore. If you are sitting, for example, you are sitting with your group of friends, if it is a classroom situation and you are sitting during a recess, you are sitting and there is someone who is verbally bullying you, just ignore that person and try to move away from that situation if possible. So that is a good method of dealing with bullies. Next thing you can do is, if you really understand if the thing is happening, has not happened for the first time and 2-3 times if it is happening, try to make it a joke. Crack a joke, putting the same situation, and make it a situation where everybody laughs. So in today's video, I have given you 4 to 5 methods in which you can avoid conflict in a situation where somebody is bullying you. Of course, if the bullying happens to such an extent that it doesn't stop by all these methods, then definitely you have to take the other method of complaining to higher authorities, or sometimes even the legal method. I would like to end my video with a beautiful thought that comes to my mind, and that is, when people hurt you over and over again, think of them as sandpaper. They scratch and hurt you, but later you will be shining and polished while they end up useless. So this is what happens to bullies. I hope this video will be useful to you. Thank you.